Qi Men Dun Jia is one of the three divination arts called the Sanxi. They are the Tai Shan Shu, Qi Men Dun Jia, and Daluren. Chinese metaphysics is based on the cosmology of the Trinity, Sun Cai, heaven, earth, and man. Qi Men Dun Jia is the earth level. In the beginning, Qi Men Dun Jia was used in military endeavors. In modern time, Qi Men Dun Jia can be used in many aspects of life. Today, in a broad sense, we say that life is like being in a battle. Common application of Qi Men Dun Jia are love and marriage, health and sickness, career, business, making money, finding lost property or missing people, solving crimes, stock trading, weather prediction, life reading, litigation, and Feng Shui. Qi Men Dun Jia consists of 4 words. Qi means strange, mystic, wonder. Men means door. Dun means hidden, evade. Jia is the first of the 10 stems. Jia is the leader of the 10 stems. It is the most dignified and important. In a warfare, it is the field marshal and is hidden, so that the enemy do not know where to attack. A complete Qi Men Dun Jia chart consists of 4 dimensions: earth, man, heaven, and spirits. These are the most important ingredients of the charts. They are used to analyze the Qi interaction in the 9 palaces of the Luoshu. This is an example of a Qi Men Dun Jia chart. Here we see another example of a complete Qi Men Dun Jia chart. It is the actual study of Qi and the Qi interaction between the 4 dimensions of heaven, earth, man, and spirit at any given moment. Here is a real-life example on how Qi Men Dun Jia is applied. On March 5th, 2013, 1:26 p.m., a client called. He was anxious to sell one of his houses to raise some cash. We looked at the Qi Men Dun Jia chart of that moment. By analyzing the chart, we told the client that he would be able to sell the house quite quickly with a profit. However, we could tell that he would not receive his money until May. Here is another example of using Qi Men Dun Jia to help with investing money. On October 15, 2012, at 1:59 p.m., a client called to ask for help to make a decision on investing. She was considering to invest a large sum of her money and hold for a long term. Was this a good idea? We looked at the Qi Men Dun Jia chart. Here, the client is represented by her birth year stem Qi in Kan, while Xin in the Kun Palace represents silver. Wu in Zhen Palace represents capital. This chart told us that it's not good for her to buy silver right now. Next, we also look at the gold, which is represented by open door in Gan. Again, the chart indicated that she should not buy gold this time. She decided to follow our advice and not to buy gold and silver like all her friends did.
Just as Qi Men Dun Jia predicted, The price of gold and silver soon started to decline, and today she is very grateful that she did not buy gold and silver at that time.
Interested in knowing more? Learn Qi Men Dun Jia with Master Eduardo Hess. Upcoming workshops: Sydney Module 1, Thursday, May 17 to Sunday, May 20. Gold Coast Module 1, Friday, May 25 to Monday, May 28. Come and check out Qi Men Dun Jia Australia on Facebook. Just search Qi Men Dun Jia Australia when you're on Facebook.